Okay, vi kører entusiastisk intro.
Alright, so we have something really cool to tell you, and that is that we've actually started our first production out in Copenhagen, and it's right here at Reffen. And but before we go into that, probably we should kind of turn back time a little bit and introduce when this all started. This all started with Microgreens in a workshop when we had a guy from Canada.
What's up, Saba?
Who's been growing microgreens for ages in Canada, 2 restaurants, and he did a whole workshop with us at Growstack. And let's just check out how that went down.
So Saba, what's happening here?
So this is a great workshop actually. We had a lot of questions, a lot of discussions about the whole process of growing microgreens and increasing productivity to grow volume of food. And now we just thought that let's take a break from all the theory, let's get down and get dirty with the soil. And so everyone's basically just sowing their trays to take home, and this would be a perfect excuse because they're going to watch it grow, and hopefully they would use the crop plant to start the next batch. Who's ready now?
How do you feel about it, Walter?
Very good. I'm already hungry.
That's good.
It's gonna take only 12 days before I'm gonna taste it.
Yeah.
What happened in this microgreen workshop?
So what happened was we gathered, what were we, 25, 30 people, and Saba, the guy from Montreal, he did a whole workshop basically from A to Z of how to start from your home and start growing microgreens to get macro profits from microgreens, really. That was sort of the overall topic.
So we had this microgreens workshop, and then what happened from there?
What happened was that we just basically made a little group of people who were growing microgreens at home, and were sharing knowledge and experiences and so on, and sharing links and all these things, and started to put it into a little wiki. And then we also all of a sudden had an opportunity, because one of the participants in the microgreens workshop was a guy called Benjamin, who is also is a chef out here at Reffen, and he had the contact for the people who are working here. And so we just had a meeting with them and said, look guys, if you really want to have awesome food out at this place, you should probably start growing something yourself. And it ended up that we actually got a container here to grow microgreens, and then we're going to expand with more things. But we formed a little team of 4 people who are basically starting a little business together out here, and it's going forward. Let me show you a little bit how it looks.
Let's check it out. Yes. So, Freddie, we're here at the container.
Yeah.
Looking great. Tell me a bit about what's going on in here.
We're growing right now. We're growing microgreens and a few herbs in 2 different systems. As you know, we have an open source community, and this is a good example of that, where we have 4 people who met through this workshop. So it's a guy called Benjamin over here. He's a chef and a person who likes to grow food as well. We have Søren, who is a software product manager, and normally, but also grow stuff at home. We have Jens, who's a developer, a design front-end guy, but also has been playing around with microgreens and other types of greens at home and delivering to some restaurants. And then we have me, of course. That's pretty cool. And we all met through this Growstack community, and so it's been a hell of a ride so far. And is it?
We have a floor.
The door is being cut. Nice.
Painting
painting salmon color on the floor. How do you feel about that, Jens?
It's fish. It's fish on Mars.
You know, it wasn't exactly what we ordered, you know, but it's not really pine color, as they say. But well, we're going for it. High quality, super fresh, pretty damn local. And I'm really looking forward to what we can make from this. And what we really want from this is, of course, to expand from this one singular container. I will show you just a bit what's going on in there, but we would like to have not only this container up here, but we can produce many more things than just microgreens, and potentially also other containers that we can produce various vegetables in with different systems, basically. Oh, they went the other way anyway. That's fine. So yeah, I'm really. Are you still?
Yeah, Costa.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm just really excited about this, to be honest. It takes a lot of time, and there's a lot of really nice people out here, but it's just a really nice feeling to actually not just be having like a demo production, but actually produce stuff that people buy and actually use in their dishes. Step one, milestone reached. It's just nice. It feels good.
Cool. Let's go check out the production.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, Flag. So we're inside the container now.
Yeah.
Can you just take us through the system here?
I'll just take you to it. So this is the very, very basic MVP we've done. So it's basically just racks, lights, trays, and some basic watering method. And the main thing that's going to happen here is more microgreens, more herbs, you know, and more clients, and more awesome food. So that's it. This is a really quick walkthrough of the container. And in the coming time, adding pumps, irrigation, trays for sub-irrigation, and then we're just basically going to deliver the food stalls a tray like this, and they just cut it themselves, right? So it's super fresh when they put it in their dishes. And that makes a huge difference in taste, for sure. You'll notice it if you come out here. No doubt about that.
So when can we come try this out in the stalls?
Well, you can actually come right now. The first guy is using it is the Botanical guy over here. And then of course we have the Holy Peter down here who's using it as well. So those are the first. I mean, as you see, we've only just started producing, so we need to get the production staged and basically more running before we can supply a higher quantity. And so yeah, that's it. Just you wait. We'll be producing a lot of stuff and serving a lot of different chefs out here. At least
And it's flashy! It's flashy as fuck!
It's definitely flashy, but it's gonna be fine. That's the motto, isn't it?
It's
It's gonna be fine.